Imagine every IT technician having an AI teammate that can investigate issues, identify root cause, and safely resolve problems in real time, all while keeping the technician in complete control. In this demo, you'll see how ScreenMeet AI for Agentic Remote Support accelerates diagnosis, automates mundane tasks, enables technicians to tackle more complex issues, and provides enterprise-grade safety, explainability, and governance. So we're going to run this demo using ScreenMeet's integration with ServiceNow, but the same capabilities exist with our other integration partners. As you can see from this incident, the end user's issue is a webcam not working in Zoom. Now I've already started the ScreenMeet session, as you can see over here on the right, so I just need to go to the view screen option. Now traditional remote control allows the technician to navigate around the screen like I'm doing here, where they would go to identify the issue. And as you can see here, if I go into the settings, the video failed to start in Zoom. Now with traditional remote support, the speed to resolution very much depends on the ability of the technician that's running the session. So in this example, I'm going to use ScreenMeet's AI agent to help me troubleshoot and resolve this issue. So let's take a look at it in action. We can access the AI agent from the ScreenMeet toolbar over here on the right, and I'm simply going to type in this message field, help me troubleshoot. The AI agent will gather context from the incident, so it knows what the issue is from the incident description. It also knows what the device is that we're connected to, and it'll also reference any knowledge articles that exist in the knowledge base that may be relevant. Following that, the AI agent will propose a plan, and as you can see in this example, the plan will check whether Windows sees the webcam, whether the camera privacy settings are blocking Zoom, and whether Zoom or Windows has logged camera-related failures. So it lists 5 steps here that it will go through. If I want to know more about what these steps are, I can expand out that feature. So for example, inspecting the webcam hardware and driver state will check whether the webcam exists, whether it's enabled, and the status. And I can even go a step further to look at any script that plan will execute. If I don't want one of these plans to execute, I can simply uncheck. It's important to note here that the technician remains in control at every step, approving plans and fixes, rejecting actions, or redirecting the AI agent at any time. So now that we've reviewed the plan, we're going to execute it and examine the results. As you can see, the plan has been executed, and each execution has a result alongside it. But if we look towards the bottom of these results, you'll see a summary. So basically this is saying that the built-in integrated webcam is detected by Windows, but is actually disabled and in an error state. So that's giving us the explanation as why Zoom can't use it. Following those results, the AI agent presents a remediation opportunity. And the remediation opportunity is to potentially restart the camera stack to help restore camera access for Zoom. So let's go ahead and click on remediate. So the AI agent has proposed an execution plan, which is to restart the camera services, and I'll go ahead and execute that plan. So the plan is executed, and as you can see here, the camera recovery step completed successfully. So ultimately, now that's been restarted, the technician is asked to reopen Zoom and confirm whether the integrated webcam now appears and works. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll open Zoom, I'll go into my settings, and we're going to our video effects. So that issue has now been resolved by the help of the AI agent. I'm now going to confirm the webcam is working now. The AI agent will provide a quick summary of its findings, and it will also suggest some recommendations should that issue arise in the future. Okay, so now that issue is resolved, I'm going to close the ScreenMeet session, and we're going to go back into ServiceNow to look at what was captured. You can see here that ScreenMeet has generated an AI summary of what took place in the session, so the technician doesn't have to. So this accurate summary gives clear visibility to anybody viewing this incident of how the issue was resolved. It can be used for training purposes, for process improvements, or by other AI solutions such as Now Assist for creating knowledge articles, incident resolution notes, and any other skills available. For transparency and governance, an explainability log and diagram is created, that shows all the steps that were taken by the AI agent and produces a flow diagram. So now you have evidence of everything that took place, what was approved, and what was executed. So to recap on what we saw there, the AI support agent works alongside IT technicians to diagnose and resolve issues faster during the remote support session. It understands the issue instantly using ticket context, knowledge context, and potentially screenshots. It investigates autonomously by running diagnostics, analyzing results, and identifying root cause. It recommends and executes fixes only with the technician approval and creates a complete audit trail showing what it did, why, and the outcome. So AI does the investigation, but the technician always stays in control. If you'd like to learn more about AI Agent and see a more in-depth demo, please contact us at screenmeet.com.